Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Hello guys, how are you? This is your full Spanish course for complete beginners. In this course, you will learn all the content you need to take your Spanish from scratch to the next level. In this course, I will follow step by step all the content of my book, My Spanish Lesson Curso de Español para Extranjeros, Level A1. I wrote this book because most of my students told me that they would find it difficult, to start learning Spanish, and most of the book they were finding it really tough in terms of grammar, vocabulary, all the content. It was really tough. So I make everything easy for you in this book. And not only the book, I also prepare a full course where I follow step by step all the content for you guys. So don't wait for more. Take your Spanish to the next level, get your book, enjoy the class, and let's start learning right now.